ahead and walk. Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So we're taking the kids out to the water park. See? Hey Gabe. Why is it so hot, right?
This is from the beach.
Yeah. So we're here, guys, at Hurricane Harbor. We're about to hit up the wave pool. No, yeah, the wave pool. Come on, baby. Say cheese. Hey, Mojo. Hey, JC. Hey, baby. Well, you saw the bottom. Look at the bottom.
It looks mad too.
Jace, who's that man up there?
I don't know.
What's his name? Is he a nice guy? Is that skeleton or not nice?
Him not.
He's not nice?
Him is not.
Oh, he is nice?
Yeah.
Why he looks so creepy?
Him not moving.
He's not moving?
I'm just going up.
Flashing lights when the DJ's spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Give me love and give me life when the DJ's spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Hey oh, way oh, summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life.
All right, so what does this ride feel like?
It's about to blow up on
So
the
you're going on it again?
Mommy, this is about to blow up on the ride.
He's gonna throw up, he better not. How was it, Jace? Jace, was this ride good or not good?
It was crazy good.
It was crazy good. Jace, Gabe, how was this ride?
Crazy good.
Crazy good? How did I end up in Target? I don't know. I'm gonna do a quick haul, y'all, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I got when I get home. All right, guys, let's get into my Target haul. Nicholas takes these fruit cups for school and these Go-Gurts for the baby. I did find a different brand for her as well. I enjoy these poppy drinks, and I got this beef jerky for the boy's dad. A couple quick snacks like these Red Baron pizzas, Cheez-Its. I got a lot of school snacks. I love these. I want to try this black and salmon. I never tried it, but I got some Halloween candy, snacks from Mojo, Nutella, the Belvitas for their dad. This yogurt's for the baby. I also got some Go-Gurt for the baby and rice pudding for Nicholas. I got my non-dairy, Starbucks. But before that, I got some trail mix for the boy's dad. I got two different kinds from Target. Got my non-dairy creamer from Starbucks, Jello for the baby. I love these health shots. They're kind of expensive, so I don't always get them. They were on sale. I got these snacks for the kids, some Nella wafer. My godson loves Yoo-Hoo. Just a bunch of snacks. Most of these are going to be for school and just like weekend snacks. Cupcakes, Spider-Man, fruit snacks for my godson. I love the pina colada naked drink, and their dad drinks the green one. Some tea for my coffee. Oh Lord Jesus, this is going too fast. Some honey for my coffee, the Ocean Spree drinks, and I got this holiday Fruit Loops, some apple juices for my godson, and these little rice cakes, and then a bunch of like chips and stuff so I can make their lunches throughout the week. Y'all, that went too fast. All right, thank you. Cake pop. You want a cake pop?
Yep.
Want the owl one, or you want this one? They got this one too, Mojo, regular one.
I want
Want this one? The owl.
Apple.
Yeah.
Can I have
Sure.
it?
Yeah.
I'm loving the owl.
You want one or no?
Owl.
Thank you. Can I just have one more straw? All right. That's good. That's good. Thank you. Have a good one. It's okay. Thank you. Have a good one. Now we're headed to the baby's swing. What do you want?
Nope.
Pizza?
Nope.
Alright guys, so we just went and got some what is it? Oh, some cookies from this bakery for Gabe so he can have it tomorrow for lunch. Well, like part of his snack at school. I think I showed you these cookies. They're like lemon iced cookies with sprinkles. Yeah, I showed you these before. But I just stopped at the bakery and got him some of these so I could put it in his lunchbox tomorrow for snack. Uh-oh, tell them what we got for lunch. Tell them on the video, what did we get for lunch? Pizza. So right next door, there's our pizza shop that we go to. So we got, y'all can't see. We got some pizza for the kids for lunch. All right. Wait, let me pull it apart. It's hot. Pizza for you. Eat your pizza. Eat it.